In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Wells Fargo's bank account online in 2026. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser. You could do this on a mobile device or on a desktop. I strongly recommend using a desktop just for clarity purposes, but you just want to go ahead and look up Wells Fargo account creation. Then you want to go to this link right over here. So it's going to say open a bank account today. Make sure that it actually does say Wells Fargo's, and here is how things do look like. So here's how things do look like at a glance. So as you're able to tell, they're currently doing a deal right now, so you absolutely love to see that. And over here, you're even able to enter your email to get a bonus offer code. So I strongly recommend that you guys do that. But you can go ahead and press over here where it says open online. Now it's going to go ahead and bring you to a page that looks like this. Now it might be a little bit confusing at first, but you actually want to go ahead and press on let's go. You could make another Wells Fargo's account if you already have one before and just sign into your Wells Fargo's credentials and stuff like that. So if you already use Wells Fargo's for another different type of account, you can press on sign on right over here, then enter your username and your password. But if you're someone who's never used Wells Fargo's before, then what you want to do is you want to go back right over here and select on let's go just like this. And you're going to need to go ahead and enter your social security number and your mobile phone number as well. Afterwards, it's going to go ahead and ask you for more stuff like your name, your email, your date of birth and stuff like that. And then it's going to make you do some verification. So the way they do it is that you got to take a picture of your ID, and it has to be a valid ID like a passport, a driver's license, or a state ID. And then they're going to go ahead and actually scan your face just to make sure that it is actually you who's trying to make the Wells Fargo's bank account online. So that's how you go ahead and get started. All right, and here's how things are going to look like. So you're going to need to enter your full name, your identity, once again, your home address, and if you want to add a debit card, that's something you're able to do. You're even able to customize it. Yo, okay, that's actually pretty cool. And you're even able to make a savings account as well. So you absolutely love to see that with as little as $25. But keep in mind that there are monthly service fees, and it's going to let you know how to avoid it. So to avoid it, you got to have like a 300 minimum daily balance for the Wells Fargo savings account right over here. But that's where you're able to select on agree and continue. Make sure you fill out all this information, and then you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.